morning, traders. I'm Diane King Hall with your Schwab Network Morning Minute. Here are a few things to keep in focus today. Alphabet Google investors breathing a sigh of relief this morning after the company's latest quarterly report card. The mega cap reported better than expected earnings and revenue topped $90 billion. On top of that, it also announced billions in buybacks. Shares are higher in the pre-market. On the flip side, shares of Intel are under pressure in early trade. While the company beat expectations in its latest quarter, it gave weaker than expected guidance. The company cited, quote, elevated uncertainty in the current macro environment. Keep in mind, this is the first earnings release under new CEO Lip-Bu Tan. And Bloomberg is reporting that Apple is aiming to import most of the iPhones that it sells in the U.S. from India by the end of next year. Now, Apple sells more than 60 million iPhones in the U.S. per year, and this goal would more than double its annual India iPhone output to more than 80 million units. Apple shares down more than 15% this year ahead of next Thursday's earnings report. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.